Yo, what is good, YouTube? Do you see this rain? I'm about to get y'all a little nice little rainy POV drive. Nothing crazy. Oh, no. Y'all see outside? This is trenching so trife, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. But I'm low on gas. We just finna do a nice little cruise. I can't even drive out here in the rain, but I got my windshield wipers a while ago. I ain't even got to test it. This is the first time it's actually raining for real. Now, right now, this gonna be just like a little calm, like a calm POV drive. Not nothing crazy. I'm not finna turn on a verbal or none of that in the rain. Yeah, I appreciate all the new subscribers and everybody that's messing with the content. I appreciate all the love and everything. If y'all are new, subscribe. I got more content on the way. I'm about to do my rims and lower my car soon. So things are finna get a little bit interesting. I'm probably gonna stop talking and just chill and let y'all vibe out. Enjoy the nice little rain, POV. You know, I got that tinted window, so I can just record people for real. Nobody know. Nobody know. Is he gonna cross? Look at him. You gonna cross game? He gonna get hit. Yeah, this is sad, bro. See, me personally, I'm supposed to be in class right now. You know? I'm supposed to be in class. I'm supposed to be walking to class like the rest of these bots. But me personally, I am not going to class in the rain. Like, I'm telling you, this campus is so buns. Like, if you look, you just gonna see a massive puddle in the middle of the ground. Like, bro, just imagine campus. Like, you gotta walk in the mud. That's treacherous. I'm not doing that at all. Yo, that's a tweaker. Look at him. He's crazy. When it comes to the rain, I don't do this. Like, I don't usually go out in the rain. But this is my first rainy POV. I just want to give y'all some good content, honestly. So, like, until I get the next thing going with my car, hey, I'm in school right now, so, I mean, I need to buy my lowering springs. That's what I'm gonna buy. And then, after the lowering springs, I'm about to get some rims. So, I'm about to get them at the same time, so that's why I'm waiting. That's why I'm waiting. I feel like we about to hit 1K in no time. I'm not gonna lie. Like, we moving quick. Like, I remember, like, what was it? Last month, I was just at 400 and... What was I at? 415 or something like that last month. And now we about to hit 1K. We about to hit 1K. We about to hit 600 subscribers. 600 subscribers. Like, look at this road. Like, I'm in a whole, like, puddle right now. And I'll hydroplane in any moment. I can't do this. Nah. It's all cool though. Please, please, please. Ooh, okay, that wasn't that bad. But I'm gonna be honest, I'm probably about to... when I get my rims, I gotta get new tires too. So I'll probably just cop some. I don't know. Probably get all seasons or summer tires. But the next winter, trust and believe, I'm getting winter tires and we gonna be smooth. I ain't ever gonna have to worry about that. I know right now my tires are bald, so hey, it is what it is, man. Sheesh. Man, I don't even know. What are you doing? What are you doing? Like, bro, just... Yo, I don't make it up, bro. He just stopped in the middle of the... He just literally started braking in the middle of the road. Had no reason to brake, no reason to stop. No one's in front of him. Doesn't make any sense. I understand the situation we're all in, but I don't know. Like, come on, what is this here? I'm just trying to go on by my biz. They pacing each other. You're not gonna let me go past? But I need to get this intercooler fixed, because that's the main problem. Hey, if y'all know, what? If y'all know, this is the best Walmart in Hampton. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Don't go to them other Jones, bruh. Don't go to them other Jones. I'm telling you, you're gonna be waiting in a line all day. Probably never gonna get out. We is back in the whip. Back in the whip, waiting for this lady to get out of her car so I can pull off. You know what I'm saying? Let's do this. I couldn't even check and see what the air codes were throwing up on my car. It wasn't pulling up. Okay, I don't know. Could have been went you got a game. If I go anywhere today, which is not a good idea, but I just can't take any highway. I'll definitely crash out up there on the highway. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I may be exaggerating. Y'all may think I'm exaggerating, but my tires are actually bald. Like, I'm pretty sure my tires been bald forever. I get new tires, and them Jones go bald so quick. I don't know. Like, it's 2025. Real wheel drive is good. It's good. If you have the right tires, that joint is chill. But if you don't, and your tires bald, I don't know, man. I'm gonna go down more. At this point, we just going on a drive. I'm about to freestyle getting back. Let's see. Whole new way. New goal is 600 subscribers. Once we hit the 600 subscribers, hey, we got no more short goals. We got big goals. We gotta hit 1K next. After we hit 600, 1K is next. And we gonna vibe out. Yeah. Y'all see this right? That Honda Accord kinda nice. I'm not gonna lie, before I got the BMW, I low-key was messing with the Hondas. There was one that kind of low-key looked like a little Charger. The hood looked like a Charger. I don't even know what that was. I think that might have been a 3.5. But that junk was hard. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Oh snap! Yo, I also got them bright headlight bulbs, bruh. I got the bright headlight bulbs. Y'all haven't seen it. Y'all gotta get a nighttime POV. Everything will look clear. You know what I'm saying? Crystal clear, baby. You know what I'm saying? Everything finna look fine. Fine. something about this road right here. It's just so common. It's chill. Y'all wonder if a regular shop can fix an intercooler or not. Like, I just think the gasket that's on there is not like sealing it tightly, which keep causing that error code, because everything's on the charge pipe and it's sitting up. But the only thing is, I couldn't get like a good fitment because that intercooler is so big. Pause. Hey man, I'm pulling back up to campus. Not gonna lie to y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed the nice chill ride. I know I said I wasn't gonna talk, but hey man, it is what it is, gang. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man. Peace.